to change a notification sound on the Samsung Galaxy A57, you can easily do this, and I'm gonna show you two ways. So first of all, open the settings and go to the sound and vibration, open notification sound, and as you can see here, if you are using two SIMs, you can set a different sound for each of your SIM card. And here you can find a lot of default sounds, so we can pick one, and here you can adjust a volume level. But what if you want to set your own sound? You can also do this. It's actually hidden a little bit, but as you can see here, I can find my custom sounds. So how it looks. First of all, you have to open your files and basically get your sound. So if you download this from some streaming services, or you transfer this, for example, from your old phone, just locate. In the most cases, it will be probably available in the audio files, or for example, in the downloads, if you have downloaded this, for example, from the web browser. But for me, it is here in the audio files, and now we have to move this file into different destination, go to the internal storage, move for notifications, and just put it over here. Now take a look. When you go back to the settings, we can find our custom sound. We can just select this. Okay, this one is probably broken, but as you can see, this one is working properly. So now I can just go back, and as you can see, my sound has changed, but I've got some weird, the player do not support this type. Not sure what is the problem, because I already set it up, but yeah, it is what it is. That's how I can actually do this. Thank you so much for watching.